Welcome to 20 Quail Hollow.
I'm Lori with Team Gabriel, and we're at 20 Quail Hollow in Enfield, Connecticut, our newest listing. Come on in and take a look around. So I'm standing here with the homeowner, Judy, at 20 Quail Hollow in Enfield, Connecticut. And this is a gorgeous condo, one-level living. It's a ranch with 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and it's very, very modern. It's so young, you can move right in and do nothing. It has a gorgeous maple kitchen with cathedral ceilings and crown molding, first floor laundry. It has a great Trex deck with a sunsetter over the top. In the living room, it has nice cathedral ceilings with a corner fireplace that's gas. And in the lower level, there's a ginormous rec room, and it has a gas fireplace as well. Judy, can you tell me what your favorite part of this condo is?
It's easy living on one floor with having the laundry here and easy maneuverability for my mom, who uses a walker, to be able to get in and out of the rooms and in and about the neighborhood. So it's a comfortable place and a safe place.
It's next door to the police station, which is right across the street, so it's super safe here. Across from the senior center, where you can play bingo and do exercise. And
lunches are served there. They have lots of cultural activities,
yep.
As well as support groups for people who may need them.
And you're centrally located in Enfield, close to the malls, all the restaurants, close to 91. So this condo has some nice features. You actually have the association helping you with the roof. They're inspecting the roofs. They're in charge of the siding. They'll come by and ask you if you want your shrubs trimmed. They take care of the leaves, the snow removal, and all the lawn maintenance. You can plant flowers or tomato plants or something like that. It's okay. You would take care of those if you did that, though. You have nice walkways, 2-car garage, automatic garage door opener. This really has a lot of nice features.
So if you'd like to check out this condo, give Lori a call
At 860-618-6233 or check out our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to seeing you.